From the first local station with news in high definition, this is 9 News Now.
The Girl Scouts of the nation's capital has just published a book. It's about teaching girls about leadership, and today's guests are Marie Johns, of course, a great example of all of this. She is a business executive, a former mayoral candidate, and a Girl Scout volunteer. And also with her, a Suitland High School student. This is Mariah Cruz. Thank you for being here. And this is a great way to encourage girls to become leaders, to be empowered. And what I'm so impressed at is, Mariah, you and your buddies wrote this during camp, a one-week camp session. You put together a book.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about the book. Why? Why was this an important project for you?
We felt that it was important that other girls become leaders and not necessarily be a Girl Scout in order to become a leader. So we sat together, we discussed different things. In the book, there's a letter to the president, some of the things that we feel the president should know, like about how they should put respectable women in leadership roles, and they need to put our country first and listen to us.
Excellent. You know, I'm looking at this Messages to Tomorrow's Leader. Some great advice here about don't accept no, find another way around. Know yourself, embrace failure. If somebody is standing in your way, let them know and find a way around it. Always be willing to learn. There's just some great things in this book. Don't let anybody steal your joy. Learn to listen before you lead. And all of you sat down and you just came up and apparently interviewed a lot of other smart, successful women for this book. So who's it for? Is it for Girl Scouts or for anybody?
It's for everybody. Everybody should read that book.
All right. This is a great gift, especially with the holidays coming around. You can get it through the Girl Scouts. All right, Marie, tell me a little bit about the organization. How are we doing here in the Washington area?
Well, the Washington capital area is a great Girl Scouts council under the leadership of Jan Verhage. We have over 55,000 girls involved in total. When you count volunteers, over 80,000 people involved in Girl Scouting in the national capital area. Let me get the website in right away, www.gscnc.org. You can order the book through the website. Only $20, as you said. It'd make a great stocking stuffer for any girl. And you can also find out more information about the Girl Scouts in general through the website.
All right, and we have a link to the website on our website, so we'll make sure that we get people there at WUSA9.com. You guys have a very big organization and a big event coming up in Indianapolis. Is it next week?
Yes, next week. I'm honored to be going on the board of the national organization, and so the National Girl Scouts meeting is next week in Indianapolis, Indiana. And while the region here is doing very, very well, of course we'll be looking at how Girl Scouting, the movement, is faring across the country and internationally, and make sure that we have the policies in place to make sure that it stays strong. It's so important to have an organization that's focused on young women like Mariah and giving them the experiences and the exposure that they need to become the leaders of tomorrow, and that's what we're committed to doing in Girl Scouting.
Excellent. And Mariah, how has Girl Scouting changed you, and what has it done for you as a young woman over the last 8 years, because that's how long you've been involved?
Well, it's taught me to speak up and not just sit down while everybody else does the work. It taught me to get involved and to actually have a say in issues, things of that nature. It also taught me to be able to conversate with other people and figure out what they want and how to work with them so that they can get what they want also.
Excellent. Well, you are a wonderful example of your troop and of Girl Scouts throughout the country. So thank you for being a part and for coming here and sharing your expertise and your book along with the other girls in your troop. This is really a fun little read for any young woman. So thanks, ladies. Again, Marie and Mariah, we appreciate it. All your information is on our website, information about the Girl Scouts and the book called Voices from the Woods. You can log on to our website to learn about it at WUSA9.com. Click on Info to Go. It is right there under the News tab.